So in this video I am going to explain solution of Codeforces round division 1 plus division 2. So first let us understand the problem statement. So the name of the problem is MEX repetition. So first let us understand the problem statement. So what problem is said that we will be giving an integer array which will be having all the distinct elements and in any single and we have to perform some number of operations. And how operations are defined? So in a single operation what I can do, I can simply in a single operation what I can do, I can simply I can simply start traversing from 1 to n and changing my current element to the max of my array. And what is max? Max is the smallest number which is not there in my array. For example, in this case, after one operation, what will be my array formed? So in single operation, what will my array form? So I will start from index 1. So index 1, what is the minimum number which is not there in my array? Is 2. Then what is the minimum number? What is then it is 231. Then what? Then after which operation I am at this index. So what is the minimum number which is not there? And here it is 0. So 2, 0 and 3. Then I am at index 3, and what is the minimum number which is not there? It will be 2, 0 and 1. So here it is a problem. So after single operation, my array of 1 will be this. So I have done a blunder. Initially I thought my after one operation my array will become like this, but originally my array will become like this only. This is a single operation in which my array become like this. This is not the single operation. This is the single operation. In a single operation, I have to change my all the elements to the max by in the order by traversing on the order from 1 to n. So I hope you have understand this part. So what problem I said that we have to perform such k operations and tell them what will be the sequence formed. I hope the problem is pretty much simple but not as simple to justify. So now let us begin to the problem intuition. So I hope you understand the problem well. Now let's begin to the problem intuition. So what I have to say, I hope this is pretty much greedy solution. So what I will say, after one operation we have seen my array will become like 2, 0 and 1. So if you simulate the process, after second operation my array will become like 0, 1 and 3. After third operation, wait a minute, after first operation my array will become like this, but after second operation my array will become like 3, 2 and 0. After after this is for one operation, this is two operation, my after third operation my array will be like 3, 1, 3 and 2. Then after fourth operation my array will again become my array will again become 0, 1 and 3. Then again after fifth operation my array will again become like 2, 0, 1. Here you can see there is a repetition, because you can see after 3 operations or after n operation my array is repeating itself, because this is my original array. Then after fourth operation I am again getting that array only, you can see. Then it is again repeating, because after 0, 1, 3 I am again getting 2, 0, 4. No, between 2, 0, 2, 0 and 1. And after another operation I will get 3, 2, 0, then 1, 3, 2. Here you can see it is a repetition of numbers. It is a repetition of same sequence. So if you tell me how is this repetition coming, so for a considering you have to only consider this operation and my first operation wisely, then again that I am getting this. So you have understood this much, that my number of possible answers are minimum, that my array is repeating itself. So if I told you how can you get this sequence, if I show you that what is the number which is not there in this array and is minimum, and here you can see it is 2. So in this array 1, 2 and 3, you can see my 2 is the only number which is not there, which is the max of this array and not present, and obviously max is not present. So max of this array is 2. Then simply what I can do, I can simply append my max in this array. This is a temporary array. So here you can see after one operation what I am getting 201. So what is 201? Here you can see my 201 is simply this 2, then 0 and 1, because you can see then I am getting last number, then 0 and then first index. Then after first index, then after one operation, what I'm getting 3, 2 and 0. Then after third operation, what I am getting 1, 2, 3. Then after fourth operation, what I am getting 0, 1 and 0, 1 and 3 again. So I hope you have understood this much. So but after one operation, what I am getting, I have to print the sequence like this: 2, then from starting, then from starting the remaining elements. Then I have to getting 1 back, and again start printing elements and this. Then one more back in another operation. Then simply print 3. Then simply print 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 2. Then after another operation, I will be back one more time, and I will simply print 0, 1 and 3. So I hope you have understood the problem pretty much. So this is the whole implementation of the problem. Now main task is to do how for the particular k I will be getting an index such that I will print the k numbers from that index. So if my k is smaller than n, if my k is smaller than n, then for example, if my k is in this example is 3 and my k is getting at this position, then I simply put 2 index from the last and remaining element from the starting. So this is the only solution. So if I tell you the generalized solution, how you will be getting the index. So for index, you can simply I have simply derived a formula. You can derive your own also. Here the formula is simple: k into n modulus. Here it is modulus n plus 1. So using this formula, you will be get the exact index from which you can print the k elements. For example, in this case, I have a k like 2, k like 1. Then what will be the answer? Then answer will simply be 1 into k. It is 3. 3 modulus 4. Then 3 modulus 4 is 3. So what is the number at my index 3? It is 2. Zero base indexing. So then I have to simply print 2, 0 and 1. Here it is 2, 0, 1, you can see. Then if you can see, if my operation become 2, then for 2, what is my number? So 2 into n will be 6. So what is 6 modulus 4? 6 modulus 4 is again 2. So what is second index? 0, 1, 2. Second index is 3. Then I will simply print 3, 2 and 0. Here you can see 3, 2 and 0. But if my number of operation is 3, then 3 into 3, 9. 9 modulus 4. 9 modulus 4 is again 1. Then for 1, my index is at this position. Then I have to simply print 1, 3 and 2. Here it is 1, 3 and 2. You can see 1, 3 and 2. Then for example, if you have given 4, but then for 4, 3 into 4, it is 12. Then 12 modulus 4 is 0. Then I am at this index. Then I have to simply print the array like 0, 1 and 3. And you can see at the fourth case, what will be my answer? My answer will be again the original array, which is 0, 1 and 3. So I hope you have understood the problem intuition. If I show you the code is pretty much easy. You can see first I am taking the input. Then what I will do, I will simply appending that number which is the max of my original array. In short, I am creating this array. So after this, I have created my dead array. Then what I will do, I will simply calculate my d, or the index from which I have to start printing in this array in which I have appended my max. So by this I am getting the max. I am getting that index. Then starting from that indexing, zero base indexing, keep in mind. Then from that index, I will simply start printing or pushing my elements in my answer array. But if my element is out of bounds, then I will simply come to my starting index and start printing the remaining elements. For example, in this case, you can see I will print my element at D8 index in my S array. Then I will simply increase my d. If my d is greater than n plus 1, then it will be automatically reset to 0. Then I will start printing from 0. Then after that I will print my array, and this is the whole problem solution. So if you have any doubts, you can comment me down, and for more such video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.